Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use background in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to CapCut, and if we want to use background, the first thing we have to do is we can scroll all the way to the right like this until we find canvas option, and this is the canvas option. You have to tap on it. Then since we want to use background, we can click on background right here. Then after that, we can select the background that we want to use, and you have to scroll all the way to the right like this to explore more backgrounds, and just keep scrolling until you find the background that you like. And for example, wait guys, so for example, I'm going to select this background. Just tap on the background that you like, then we can click on the check mark button right here. Then if you want to see the background, you just need to pinch the screen like this. And I'm going to remove the background of this clip, so we can click on this button. Then we can click on the clip right here. Then after that, we can scroll all the way to the right until we find cutout option. And this is the cutout option. Tap on it, and then click on remove background. Then after that, the background will be removed from your clip. Okay, and now the background has been removed, and I'm going to resize the clip. So just zoom in like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result, guys. So I'm gonna play the video. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can use background in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.